Good morning. Today we are with Ridhima from Elmec Foods and Rushabh Turakia, also from the same company, and
Your turn now.
and
NGO, your turn now.
and the NGO Your Turn Now. And we are really fortunate and lucky that we are associated with people like Ridhima and Rushabh. And why? I'll tell you. Most of the corporates, I'm not blaming them, but most of the corporates are busy doing the routine. Of course, everybody has to make money and it's important. But there is one corporate like Elmec and Ridhima who's looking after their employees. And it's very important. They are the people who are working for you and you have to look after them and care for them. And they reciprocate eventually. So that's why we are fortunate as NK Dhabar Cancer Foundation to be here with you people. We started a camp for breast screening and head and neck cancer yesterday, a Sunday, 27th of April. And we have screened more than 100 people, and those kind of people who really require medical attention. And that's why we are happy internally that we have done something small bit. Ridhima and Rushabh and NK Dhabar Cancer Foundation has done something small for this society of ours. So we feel that even if we do something for one person, even if suppose, God forbid, one person is diagnosed with cancer after the screening, God forbid, of course, we don't want anybody to suffer.
Absolutely.
But then their treatment will be a little bit easier than the others. If we treat early, we can cure them. There is a cure possible.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Ridhima, and we would like to say something
Thank you.
about this.
No, thank you. I mean, I just have to say that I am so grateful that the NK Dhabar Cancer Foundation, your team, Dr. Dhabar, you and your wonderful team of highly qualified doctors, not just with skill but with a big heart, you know, each one of them could be here. The way you all have conducted the camp, how lovingly and how nurturingly they have handled each and every woman who showed the courage to come and get themselves screened. I myself, I am a patient. I have undergone breast cancer. I have been diagnosed with breast cancer. I've undergone treatment. I'm a survivor. Yes. And having of the past, but having had the experience, I realized that for me, I'm very grateful that it was an early detection, and therefore we realized that now, you know, I myself realized this, that when I was diagnosed, everybody was like, cancer. And I'm like, no, you know what? We have to change the narrative of cancer. Why is cancer such a deadly topic in our society? Is because nobody gets themselves tested. If you get yourself tested, you can be cured. You know, that is the problem. The problem is in the disease. Diseases, treatment is there. But catching the disease is what is essential. And because people are so scared, they don't want to get themselves tested. So it's a vicious circle. And I realized that no, it is about awareness. You have to change the narrative. You have to say cancer is curable. And when people think that, oh, you know what, it's fine. If I have it, I'll be treated and I'll be okay. I think it will, dhire dhire, you know, we need to change. But I think this camp was an eye opener. The way everybody, the way the doctors have spent so much time, energy, effort, screening all the patients. I'm so grateful that you could be here. Thank you for doing God's work. Thank you for being, you know, walking, talking, you know, divine beings for us on this planet Earth. So thank you very much. Really, I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful to the entire team. I'm grateful to my cousin Rushabh. I just put it out there. I just said once to him that I want to do something in this space, and he put everything together to make this happen. So thank you so much. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. I'm so grateful for having been given this opportunity. So thank you so much. Thank you.
And of course, Rushabh was a facilitator. So he has started the initiative. He started the ball rolling.
Yes.
So thank you very much.
Thank
So
you
keep
very
on doing
much.
this good work.
Yes,
Yes.
because it's so inspiring what you guys do, and there's always a learning with every camp we do. There's so much of learning for myself also, and which I can go out and spread because I work with so many NGOs and so many people, especially underprivileged. And with the kind of work you do and the learning I get, it's inspiring. And I hope now this year we're going to take it much ahead.
Yes.
That's what Ridhima and we have decided.
Absolutely.
That we are going to
This
take
is
it
just
to
the
the next
beginning.
step also.
Absolutely.
so much.
Thank you so
And
much.
I think we should continue this good work. Please
No.
let it be. We'll do a lot of follow-ups
Thank
and
you. Yes,
continue the good work.
absolutely. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
राजेश, आज एलमेक से और एनके डाबर कैंसर हॉस्पिटल जो फाउंडेशन है मुंबई में, उनकी तरफ से आज अपने यहाँ एलमेक में कैंसर अवेयरनेस का जो प्रोग्राम हुआ है, तो आपने उसमें चेकिंग करवाया ना उनसे,
हाँ।
तो आपको कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लगा, पूरा घर जैसा लगा माहौल, और काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है, और मोटिवेशन भी मिल रहा है कि फ्यूचर में जो गुटखा वगैरह खा रहा हूँ वो मैं उसको फिर आज से क्विट कर रहा हूँ।
अच्छा आज से आप गुटखा खाना
बंद कर देंगे,
बंद कर
एकदम
देंगे,
बंद
कसम खा
कर
रहे
देंगे,
हैं?
कसम खा रहा हूँ कि आज के बाद से गुटखा नहीं खाऊंगा।
अरे तो आपकी फैमिली तो बहुत खुश हो जाएगी।
एकदम एकदम।
बहुत अच्छा बहुत अच्छा।
Thank you, thank you.
बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि हमने आज कुछ अवेयरनेस का प्रोग्राम किया, रिधिमा और शौर्यवीर ने किया है। एक्चुअली उनका अवेयरनेस उनकी तरफ से है, उन्होंने आज ये किया प्रोग्राम और आपको इतना बेनिफिट हो रहा है, आपकी फैमिली को भी इसका बेनिफिट
Yes,
होगा और हमको लगता है कि आपका एग्जाम्पल से बाकी सारे लोगों को भी बेनिफिट होना चाहिए, तो उनको भी बेनिफिट होगा। थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू डाबर फाउंडेशन एंड थैंक यू एलमैक, थैंक यू
थैंक यू
राजेश।
मैम, थैंक यू।
যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে। যদি কেউ কথা না কয় ওরে ওরে ও ভাগা, কেউ কথা না কয়, যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফিরায় সবাই করে ভয়, যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফিরায় সবাই করে ভয়, তবে পরাণ খুলে ও তুই মুখ ফুটে তোর মনের কথা একলা বলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে। যদি সবাই ফিরে যায় ওরে ওরে ও ভাগা, সবাই ফিরে যায়, যদি গহন পথে যাবার কালে কেউ ফিরে না যায়, যদি গহন পথে যাবার কালে কেউ ফিরে না যায়, তবে পথের কাঁটা, তবে পথের কাঁটা ও তুই রক্ত মাখা চরণ তলে একলা দলরে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো।